If you're looking to request signatures from multiple people at once, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to streamline your signature requests, saving time and effort. First, you'll want to start with the software we'll be using today. It's a simple and efficient tool for requesting signatures from multiple people at once. I've tried several popular options, and this one stands out for its ease of use and flexibility. Plus, I've secured an exclusive free trial for you, available in the description below, so you can follow along while using the software. To get started, open up the software and create a new document or upload the one you need signatures for. Most platforms will have a straightforward option for this, like Create New or Upload Document. Next, you'll need to specify the signature fields. The software will allow you to drag and drop signature boxes onto your document. Make sure to place a signature box for each person who needs to sign. You can also add fields for initials, dates, and other required information. This is the key to ensuring that all required parties sign in the right spots. Now, here's where it gets efficient. Instead of sending out individual requests to each person, you can use the bulk signature feature. Once your document is ready, you'll be able to add multiple signers at once by entering their names and email addresses. Some software even allows you to assign roles, like signer, approver, or witness, so that you can customize the workflow. Once you've added all the recipients, hit the Send button. The software will automatically send out an email to everyone, letting them know it's time to sign. They'll get a link that directs them to the document, and they can sign from any device. No need for them to download anything. This makes it super convenient for everyone involved. After all the signers have completed their part, the software will notify you that the process is complete. You'll receive a fully signed document, and everyone will get a copy for their records. Remember, using software like this to request signatures from multiple people at once not only saves you time, but it also minimizes the risk of errors or delays. You're also keeping everything digital, which means less paperwork and more efficiency. Key takeaway: the best way to request signatures from multiple people at once is by using an intuitive software that allows you to upload your document, place signature fields, add recipients, and send it off in just a few clicks. Let's quickly recap. First, upload your document, then add signature fields for each person. Use the bulk signature feature to add all recipients at once. Send the document out and wait for everyone to sign. You'll receive the signed document, and it's done. Before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. It's the perfect chance to follow along and see how the software works firsthand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.